Wednesday and welcome back to my channel and welcome to one of our bonus holiday videos. We're going to be doing a fun little activity today. It's going to be quick and festive. I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to be adding a new decoration to our Christmas lights in our front yard, and this is one that we just got, and I'm super excited to put it out there because we do have like 2 patches of grass in our front yard and one of them is completely empty. So this is where we're going to put our new decoration. This is going to be a really fun, festive, relaxing video where we can add just a little bit of holiday lighting to our yard. So if you're interested in decorating a little bit more with me, then make sure to stick around and watch this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. We have videos every Sunday, and we're also going to have some bonus videos during the holiday season. You don't want to miss out on any of those. And this week we are going to be partnering with the brand Ollny, and I have worked with Ollny before. I used their solar powered lights when I did our back deck makeover, and I redid the entire deck, put in new furniture, screened it in, all of that. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below so that you can check it out. But this week we're going to be working with Ollny to add some Christmas lights to our front yard. I'm really excited because these are Christmas lights that are different from anything that we have outside. These are actually going to be ones that set up to make a Christmas tree out of lights. And this is something that I've always really liked the look of when I see versions of it in other people's yards, but I've never actually had it for myself. So I think it's going to look really beautiful and fit our space really nicely. Ollny smart Christmas tree lights have 265 bright LEDs stretched over 6.6 feet. You can use them indoors or outdoors, and they come with a plug, a remote, and even grounding stakes if you want to set them up in your yard. Plus, they're fully waterproof, so rain or snow won't interfere with your holiday lights. They're built tough with thick, tangle-resistant wiring, durable construction, and total flexibility for any setup. You could use these as an indoor tree, a tabletop display, or outdoor decoration. These lights are made to last all season without fading or fraying, giving you a reliable, high-quality display year after year. The LEDs are evenly spaced for full coverage and vibrant brightness, making your tree or display pop with holiday cheer. Whether you're decorating a cozy corner or creating a large outdoor scene, these lights give you maximum impact with minimal hassle. So if you want durable, flexible, and bright Christmas lights that hold up indoors or outdoors, the Ollny Smart Christmas tree lights are an all-in-one festive upgrade.
What really makes these lights special is the Ollny app. You can pick from millions of colors using the app or the included remote, and each individual LED can be customized. That means you're not stuck with standard red and green stripes. You can create everything from classic holiday vibes to bold multicolored designs. There's over 130 built-in modes, from fading to flashing, twinkling and flowing, basically any effect you want to match your mood. And there are themes and scenes too. One of my favorite is the starlight theme, which really looks like a twinkling night sky. Whether it's a cozy Christmas night or a full-on holiday party, these lights have a mode for it. On top of that, the app lets you set timers so the lights turn on and off automatically. No running back and forth to the plug, no complicated wiring, it all happens right from your phone, making it super convenient for busy holiday setups. They also have a music sync feature. The built-in mic reacts to any music or sound, making the lights move to the beat. You can literally have your own holiday light show right in your living room or yard. With full color control, hundreds of modes, music sync, and timers, the Ollny app transforms your lights into a fully customized interactive holiday display. It's an easy way to make your home and yard feel magical this season.
Alright guys, well that wraps up this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed putting up some really beautiful Christmas lights with me. I love the addition to our space. I think it really just kind of like rounds off the outdoor lights and makes them look complete, especially because we have such a small front yard. It's kind of funny looking to not have something on both sides. It makes it feel really unbalanced. So I think this is like the perfect thing to fill out that space and make our front yard super Christmassy and fun to see every night, and also for people to come by and see, like when they're driving around looking at Christmas lights. I love having lights that people are going to enjoy because that's something that I really like to do. I like to go and look at other people's lights. So I really think that they turned out beautiful for us and our family to enjoy, but also for others to be able to see. I only just put up the tree in our front yard, and I've already gotten compliments from multiple neighbors on how fun it is and how pretty it looks. Definitely a really, really beautiful light up Christmas tree if you're looking for something to add to your space. And a big thank you to Ollny for partnering with me this week. I've worked with them before. I have always really loved their products, and I'm definitely just as impressed by their Christmas lights. This tree is so cool, so fun, and really easy to put up. I mean, it really didn't take me very long at all. It was just like 15-20 minutes doing it by myself and it was all done. And I love how customizable it is and that you can change like the light colors, the patterns, you can put it to music, you can do it on the app. All of those things make it really special and easy to use so that it can fit your vibe and your Christmas lights perfectly. So if you're looking for any Christmas lights or any outdoor lights this holiday season, make sure to check out Ollny. I will link all of their information in the description box below for you guys. Make sure to check in on Sunday for our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Sunday.